In this video, I'll show you 4 real ways to make money using Whop, from clipping videos to running your own agency. Whether you're a creator, editor, or just looking for a side hustle, Whop gives you the tools to start earning fast. Let's break it down step by step. The first and easiest method is basic clipping. You take long videos, podcasts, YouTube videos, or Twitch streams, and cut them into short, viral clips for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Creators need this because short content helps them grow fast. On Whop, you can find a wide range of creators to clip for. Usually, they pay ranging anywhere from 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 views. The best app for clipping, in my opinion, is CapCut, which is free to use, by the way. Let me know if you want me to make a video on clipping specifically, from how to clip to how to go viral and get paid big bucks. Second option is moving over to retainers. I personally despise this option, but some people love it. Being on a retainer basically means you get paid a certain amount each month for a set amount of videos made. I will pop up an example on the screen right now. In my opinion, clipping is better, because there's no limit to how much you can earn. Whereas retainers always pay the same, no matter how well your clips perform. Third, and one of my personal favorites, especially if you're just starting out, is moderating for an agency. This is how I got started personally. I stumbled upon a campaign that looked like it was unsupervised. I messaged the owner and we agreed that I would take care of this and all the upcoming campaigns in exchange for a percentage of the agency's revenue. If the agency is active and signs clients consistently, you can make good money doing this, ranging from $500 to a couple $1,000s a month. The final and the most scalable option, starting a clipping agency. This is where everything turns around. Instead of clipping, you're the one looking for creators that people can clip for. The hardest part of starting an agency is signing your first clients. Once you've done that, everything will become way easier and you can start to scale. I recommend signing the first clients for free, getting them good results and using those results to bring in new clients. The way you earn money with an agency is by taking a cut of the campaign's budget. Most agency owners charge anywhere from 10 to 20%. It's also very easy to scale once you got your first clients with good results. Use the profits to hire a team of people who will do outreach for you. This way, you can sign even more clients. Running an agency can get very stressful, especially if you are running multiple creators' campaigns at once. But if you are up for the challenge, I definitely recommend starting your own agency, as this can be scaled to over $10,000 a month. So there you go. Those are the 4 ways to make money using Whop. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what other topics I should cover, and see you next time.